Welcome to Study Point Online. Here we are discussing some important questions of reasoning section. The first question is find the next number in the series. The given series is 80, 99, 120, 140, 168. So what will be the next number? So here a pattern is given in that series. See here which pattern in the first number 9 square 9 into 9 81 minus 1. Okay, then second number 99 10 square 10 into 10 100 100 minus 1 99. So next number 120 11 into 11, that is 11 square minus 1 121 minus 1 120. Then 143 12 into 12 12 square 144 minus 1 143. Then 13 square 13 into 13 169 minus 1 168. So what will be the next number? So 14 square minus 1, that is 14 into 14 196 minus 1 195. This pattern is given here. Here each number is 1 less than square of a number. So the correct answer is 195. Here given option C 195. Our next question is a person is fourth in the queue from starting. If he shifted two position forward, now he is 7 from the end. How many people are there in the queue? So see the explanation here. That person is in fourth position. That person is in fourth position from the starting of the queue. That is, 3 people stand in front of him, and when he shifts 2 position forward, he is in 7th position from the end. That is, 6 people stands behind him and 1 person stands in front of him. So therefore total number of people will be 8. Okay, so the correct answer is 8. They are given option 8. Our next question is a cage had 13 birds. All but 3 manages to escape. See the sentence, all but 3 manages to escape. How many birds actually escape? See the explanation here. It gives that all birds escapes except 3 birds. That is, out of 13 birds 10 birds escape. So the correct answer is 10. 10 birds escape. So correct answer is 10. Here given option C 10. Our correct answer is option C. Our next question is complete the series. The series given 4, 20, 29, 45, 70. What will be the next number? Here which pattern is given? 20 minus 4 16, that is 4 square. First, the relation of first two number is 20 minus 4 16 equal 4 square, 4 into 4. Then second two number 29 minus 29, that is 3 square. Then next two numbers 45 minus 29 16, that is 4 square. Then 70 minus 45 25, that is 5 square. So here given the difference between the digit is the square of a digit. So similarly the next number will be what? 106. How? 106 minus 70 equal 36. So 6 square. So our correct answer is 106. See here, first 4 square, then 3 square, then 4 square, then 5 square, then 6 square. Okay, so our correct answer is 106. We are given option C 106. Our next question is Complete the series. The series given 6, 12, 36, 144, 720. What will be the next number? See here, the given pattern is, see first two number 6 and 12. 6 into 2 12, then 12 into 3 36, then 36 into 4 144, then 144 into 5 720. So first multiplied by 2, second multiplied by 3, third multiplied by 4, then fourth multiplied by 5th. Then next number will be multiplied by 6. That is 720 into 6, 4320. So our correct answer is 4320. Here given option C 4320. Thank you.